What's up, Fifth Man? Matt here, creator of In Time Fitness here in New York City. Today I have a 10-minute medicine ball core blaster for you coming your way. We're gonna start off with a 3-minute warm up. We have 3 movements, 10 reps each. We're gonna grab our medicine ball. We're gonna get started. Let's stand up nice and tall. We're gonna hinge our hip back, chest tall, nice flat spine. Ball's gonna hit the ground. We're gonna extend the hip, pull the ball up overhead, and then right back down to the ground. So this is called a ground to overhead. Thinking about driving through the hip, pulling the ball up past our face, keeping it nice and close to the body, pressing it right up overhead for 10 repetitions. That's it, good. Let's get 3 more. We're gonna put the ball down. We have toe taps coming up in 3, 2, 1. Ball stops on the floor. Just like good old soccer days, we're going tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dropping it down. Now we have some Russian twist. So feet are planted on the floor, chest is tall, core is nice and tight. Ball is rotating over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna go right back to the top, guys. We have those 10 ground overhead. Here we go, on your own now. You have 2 minutes. Let's go. Right up, right over. So I'm using a big Dynamax medicine ball. You can use a small ball or even a dumbbell for this workout if that's all you have, but use what you got. Keep it moving. Here we go. Good, guys. Here we go. 4 more reps. You're going back to those toe taps. On that toe tap this second round, can we keep our toes a little bit lighter but move our feet faster? Ready? Here we go. Nice and quick, little cardio, get the heart rate up. We go right back down to that Russian twist. So let's second round of Russian twist. Lift your feet if you need. Load that core, chest is tall. One thing about rotating through the midline, not just moving your arms or the ball side to side. We want to think about this rotation, right? Fire up those obliques, those abdominals. That's it, good, guys. Coming down that last minute. Let's try to get through 1 more round here. Ground to overhead coming up. Here you go, 10 reps. Drop that hip, lift the chest. I want you to really think about using those legs and those hips to fire that ball up overhead this round. Here we go. That's it, I got 5 more reps here. Where you at? Last one, we're going back to those toe taps. Here you go, 30 seconds, let's get it done. Can we get through those Russian twists now? That's it, guys, here we go. Last 10 seconds, as many reps as possible. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. We're going into our second block of work. 3 movements, 30 seconds apiece. So we're gonna work for 90 seconds. We're gonna have a 30-second rest. We're gonna repeat it a second time, right? All right, so first movement, alternating slams, 30 seconds. Good, so we're thinking about pushing our hips back, crunching into this slam, allowing our core power to take over, not just our arms. Slam this ball. That's it, guys. 10 seconds. We're going into reverse lunges. So you keep moving. You're gonna join me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So big step back, knees are 90, chest is tall. Rotating over the knee, that's up. Standing tall, right back around. So a little lower intensity movement now. Finding that heart rate, that control. Loading our legs a bit, but also our midline. Create that rotation, feeling our obliques as we pull that ball back around. You have 10 more seconds. We're taking down the ground, really light up that core. We'll move back, like to take control of. Tabletop sit up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, so we're here flat on our back. Knees are 90. Knees are right over our hips. Flat shins, toes are tucked. Just create our tabletop. Our lower body does not move. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. We're gonna crunch forward, placing the ball on our ankles. Sitting all the way back without it, keeping our core nice and tight, crunching all the way forward, bringing the ball back on. So we're loading our upper abdomen as we crunch forward. Then we're disengaging or unloading our upper abdomen, but now our lower abdomen is loaded, right? Trying to control this ball, stabilizing before our legs don't drop. Then we release, put it back on, take it off. That's it, guys, good. We have 10 more seconds here. We got a 30-second rest coming up. This is the most amazing movement, I'd say, in my opinion, because not only are we working the whole entire time, but we're working our upper and lower abdomen at the same time. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. If that doesn't burn, I don't know what does. All right, 30 seconds, we're going back to the top, round 2. So we're going back to those alternating slams. I need a little bit more power this time. Let's increase that heart rate. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up and over, slam. Make that noise. Come on. 30 seconds, guys. We want to push, want to create power, make some noise. Fire up that core, get it going. 15 seconds. Good, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alternating lunge with that twist. Big step back, rotate, drive through. Good again. Now we find that control, that breath, a recovery, right? On that lunge, if you need back knee down, so we can focus on that rotation where our knees don't collapse, our chest can stay upright. There he is. 10 seconds. We're going back to that sit up. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Tabletop sit up, last 30 seconds. So knees are 90. Sit all the way up. Place it. Grab it. Good. So our knees never move. Our feet never move. We just sit up further, place the ball lower, challenging that core, right? Good, guys. 15 more seconds. You're almost there. I need more reps. Continue to push. Here we go. Less than 10. Can we get 4 more? Can we get 3 more? 1 more. However many more in 3, 2, 1. Rest. All right, guys, we've made it. Final block of work. First movement, you're gonna have a medicine ball slam. We have a jump squat or an air squat, and then a mountain climber. Your rep range is gonna look like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, as high as you can climb in 3 minutes, all right? So follow me, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go. Ball up, overhead, crunch, slam it down. 1, 2, we're gonna take that ball, put it right on our chest. We're gonna squat right down. 1, 2, and then we're gonna put that ball on the floor, come to a high plank position. We have a mountain climber. 1, 2. Now, right back to the top. We have 4 reps. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball right on our chest. Now, low option, we air squat. High option, you want to take it to the next level. We had that jump squat. That's totally fine. Ball hits the ground. We have that mountain climber. Now we can pick up that speed here. Little cardio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right back to the top. 6 reps, so on and so forth. For the next 2.5 minutes, you push yourself as far as you can go. Let's see what you got. Here we go. That's it, guys. Same on this movement. We're thinking about hinging your hip back as we pull the ball down, slamming it through the floor. More power. The heart of that ball is going to pop up. Then we kind of catch our breath here in that squat, right? If you need low option, couch to that breath. Find that recovery. But we don't want to allow that ball to pull us forward. So really fight that chest up. Find that core tension. Control. There you go. Right back to that mountain climber. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, reps are gonna get higher. It's gonna start to build. You're gonna work longer, certain movements than others. So we need to find that control, right? Maintain composure. Here we go. I'm on that round of 8. Where are you at? That's it, good. Right back to it. We're coming down to that final minute now. Now we need to push. Your last minute of work, guys. You've already worked for 2 minutes. Your last minute's the home stretch. We need to really challenge ourselves, drive it all the way in. Push it to the pedal, push the metal to the pedal. You know the saying, let's go. We're going that round of 10, 45 seconds, as many reps as possible now. Here we go. That's it, guys, less than 30. Come on, let's get one more round in here. 10 reps, no biggie. Good, breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. You have 20 seconds. Can you get this next set in? Let's go. Good, right back to the top. 5, come on, how many slams can you get? 3, 2, 1, time. Guys, awesome job. Wherever you ended, way to go. Way to accomplish those reps and rounds. Thank you for crushing it with me. We'll catch you next time.